A little nonsense is what I need. Now if you wanna get the best of me.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a pasta salad. It's a little bit different than what I typically do. It's called Best Macaroni Salad. So we're going to go ahead and get started. I went ahead and cooked my elbow macaroni and I've got it set aside. It's strained and it's cooling. Let's go ahead and get started on the dressing part. It's really not going to take long to put this together. You're going to need about a cup and a half of mayonnaise. You can use Miracle Whip if you want to. We prefer mayonnaise though. And you can make this sweet or you don't have to. But it does call for 3 tablespoons of sugar or a sugar substitute. And I'm just going to put in 1 packet of equal. Some people are against that. That's fine. You can put in whatever sweetener you desire. And you can use 3 tablespoons or less. It doesn't matter. Just up to you. I don't have any celery seed. That's something that I really need to keep on hand because several of these summer type recipes call for it. I do not have celery seed, so we're just going to continue on with the recipe. You need a ½ teaspoon of garlic salt. And I am literally trying to use this up. So, whoops, trying to get rid of this celery salt. Okay. Alrighty. We're gonna need 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar. Let me get that real quick. I forgot to have that ready. Get it in a bowl. All right, 2 teaspoons. So let's see, that's about 1. That's about 2. That's all we're gonna add from that. 2 tablespoons of dill relish. I'm sure if you wanted to, you could put sweet in, but it would probably make it just a little bit too sweet. So we need about 2 tablespoons worth. And 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard. 1, 2, and just 1 for equal measure. Put some salt in this. Hopefully it wasn't too much. And some pepper. And all that's to taste. And that's basically it. Now, I've got some vegetables I chopped up. So we're gonna put that in next. I chopped up some boiled eggs, some red onion, some celery, and some yellow bell pepper. You can use whatever color bell pepper you want. And you probably could use whatever color onion you want as well. That's what the recipe calls for. It's red. Alright, I'm going to stir this up real quick. And then you need about 1 pound of elbow macaroni. And then you're good to go. This has got to stay chilled for at least an hour before serving. So that'll give everything enough time to come together. And I try to cut my vegetables as small as possible. Let me get a spoon and taste this and make sure that it's not too salty. Okay. I'm gonna put just a little bit a little more of the sweetener in. It's just a little bit too tart, but I think that should do it right there. Okay, y'all. Now you can put straight up sugar in there. You don't have to worry about any kind of sweetener, but let it chill for at least an hour. That way all your flavors have enough time to come together. Hey y'all, welcome back. Today we're gonna make a buffalo chicken pasta salad. So let's go ahead and start with the dressing. You're going to need 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt. You got a better spoon. Hang on just 1 second. Okay, so you're gonna need 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt. This is Greek yogurt, is what I'm using. It doesn't need to have any sweeteners in it or anything like that. You're gonna need 4 tablespoons of buffalo sauce. I use this one, hopefully you can see. So you're gonna need 4 tablespoons of that. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. We're gonna need a 1/2 cup of ranch dressing. We use Ken's. It goes together pretty well, but you can use a whisk if you need to. And we're going to put some salt in it. About 1/2 teaspoon and about 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. Okay. Now you're going to use this for your chicken thighs as well. Alright, so the chicken thighs, I have them in a brine. Let me go get those out so I can show y'all. Okay, the brine consists of water, tablespoon of salt, tablespoon of sugar, dill weed, and you could put minced garlic in it, but I put garlic powder. And I've let this marinate for about 1.5 hours. And so we're gonna take it out now and we're gonna put it in a skillet and we're gonna cook the chicken thighs. And you just need to cook them till they're done, no biggie. What we're gonna do after they're cooked, we're gonna put some sauce on it, and we are going to mix everything together. This buffalo dressing is for the chicken thighs, but it's also for the pasta as well. So we're gonna mix all that together. We're gonna also use some of it to put on these after they come out of the skillet. So let me get this started. Okay, y'all, so I got everything ready to go, and I've already cooked my chicken. I forgot to tell you that right before you cook it, you need to salt and pepper it really well. Tasted it, tastes fantastic. I went ahead and brushed some of the sauce that we made on it, and now we're gonna move on to the pasta portion of the recipe. Now, this is rotini. I like using that for different pasta salads. You can use smaller. There's one that looks like elbow macaroni, but it's cut real small. I cannot remember the name of it. That would be a good one, or elbows. If you can't, and you can interchange these. If you don't have rotini, you just got elbow macaroni, just use that. I did leave out the carrots, but I did go ahead and chop up this celery. It took about 1 stalk of celery. I tried to chop it as fine as possible, and I chopped up some green onions as well. The original recipe does call for shredded carrots. I just left those out. And then I'm gonna put the dressing I made in it. And I'm gonna stir this up. This pasta was about 2 cups uncooked. It was supposed to be 3 cups cooked. So it is a little bit more than it should be. Okay. So, try to get some more out of here because it looks very sparse. All right. And I'm gonna plate this up real quick so you can see what it looks like. Hang on. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished product. I went ahead and added a little bit of more sliced green onions, but this is it. Like I said, you know, you probably could substitute the carrots for like a bell pepper, a colorful bell pepper. I think they're really added for the crunch and probably the color. But I didn't want to. Carrots are not good to me in a pasta salad, but everybody's different. But I'm just serving this like this, but I'm probably gonna chop up the chicken instead of just laying it on top. Okay, y'all, make sure you like and subscribe. I'll see y'all next time.